The SBV program, it has helped us to focus and to orient ourselves. For instance, when we say that we are converting our charities now to social ministries, have we lost the charism? And the answer is not at all. But as superiors, as leaders of the congregation, we must have a vision beyond what we can see today. Now that today we have donors and maybe diminishing donors, tomorrow when they are not there, are we able to see where we want to see our congregations and we start planning for it? The Ungracious Version Designers has a huge future. They started just simply as one sewing machine, which initially was making repairs. Because previously we got our garments as a congregation from Pollard, habits were shipped. So we moved from that point to the point that we could make our own habits here, like the one I have is made here. Then we moved from that point to producing the small items that people who are interested, they came, they asked, can you offer this? And we did, but it was still in very low scale. Today we have orders from one institution to another. So we see that we are capable of upscaling that, and it will be able to produce surplus. And we believe that will be in leaps and bounds. I appreciate the first of all, self-awareness, the energy colors that were told there, that I'm able to know who I am, and I'm also able to understand who are the members in my team, who are the members in my community, and who are these other people that you are partnering with, so that the strengths of my personality can contribute to the greater development of the enterprise and the congregation, as well as awareness of the personal weaknesses that may be impediments. Additionally, one of those which I most appreciated was awareness that the charities that we do, the activities that we've been carrying as sisters up to this moment, can actually be made self-sustaining. And we are seeing the ripple effect of that.
In the beginning, I didn't have passion for the business. And what I knew is that in the congregation, we do a lot of charitable works, and we give back to the congregation. But from the moment I attended the program at Strathmore, I learned a lot. I gained knowledge on business ethics, how to learn social enterprises, transforming it from charitable work to sustainable social enterprise.
What we learned there on the record keeping helped us to put our finances in the proper shape, and also on doing the value addition. It doesn't just do the same kind of product. It helped us to diversify our products, and with this diversification, it has helped us to incorporate more staff members to help us in meeting the demands of our customers. Another learning was on the stakeholder management. This was again for me an area which I've really appreciated, because traditionally we are known that the convents, sometimes we have existed like the ivory towers, closing everybody out and closing ourselves in. But now I know we have partners right in front of our door. The skills that we have learned has helped us to retain our customers and also to get new customers, because we have been able to interact with our customers to know exactly what they need, and we have also been able to be in the competitive market where we give the products, the quality product that our customers need, and on time. I've liked the webinars on fundraising, and it gave me the gist of the many things that we can do to fundraise, including how to write the projects, how to identify good partners, donors, and also how to make the projects capable of fundraising within themselves.
This social enterprise has increased with We started with like 10%, and now we've gone up to 40%. So I can say that we are not going at loss. From what we make and sell, we can see the growth in our social enterprise.
We are happy that we can be able to create consistent jobs, because at least 4 of those you have made, they are on full-time jobs. Sometimes there are those we are giving the piecework. The SBV program, it has helped us to focus and to orient ourselves. For instance, when we say that we are converting our charities now to social ministries, have we lost the charism? And the answer is not at all. But as superiors, as leaders of the congregation, we must have a vision beyond what we can see today. Now that today we have donors and maybe diminishing donors, tomorrow when they are not there, are we able to see where we want to see our congregations, and we start planning for it? That's why I would say any superior who want to be supported will find that support in the SBV. And I am very grateful to Strathmore University, to our mother, Akweka, to the USK, and whose umbrella we are, and also to the Hilton Foundation, who finds it worth to support the initiatives for the growth of sisters, especially in Africa. We are really grateful.